What up, you guys? It is Sammy here, currently coming at you with a new video. Today, what was that? Oh my gosh. Today I will be showing you my apartment, which I've lived in this semester. I go to a college in Idaho, small town Idaho. It's called BYU, Idaho. I love it here. This has probably been my favorite apartment that I've lived in. I live at a building called Northpoint, and I actually lived here the first semesters it was open back in 2014 because I'm freaking old. But anyways, so this is just gonna be my apartment tour. I'm gonna do a complex tour hopefully soon as well, so you guys, for those of you that watch that live in Rexburg, can like get an idea, or like you're thinking about coming to Rexburg, you're thinking about coming to BYU, Idaho. Hopefully this can give you a good idea about this complex here. And the lodge, which used to be called Mountain Lofts, have been my favorite places that I've lived. And I also have those videos of my apartment and room and complex there, so check that out. I will have it linked down below. And without further ado, if you have any questions, leave it down below. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I live in a 6-person apartment. I will show you my room first and then give you an overview of the apartment itself. All right, so this is my closet. I guess I'll just start here. So as you can see, I have a shoe addiction. I have this under my clothes, and then stuff I don't really like need to grab like every day I put up there. Here I'm gonna try and not show you my window because then you'll know my exact location. So I just have some cute stuff. Those are for my roommate. They're actually not working. So then I have this mirror. As you can see, I had to fit it somewhere, so it's kind of jammed in this corner. Disclaimer, I have a lot of stuff in a tiny area to put it in, so next semester I'm going to try to get rid of a lot. So I love this. It's from Target. My mirror, IDK, where that's from, printer, and then box, and then boot shove there. This is kind of like my junk drawer, honestly. I have my makeup that I do every day at this mirror, my palettes and jewelry, and then honestly just random stuff in there. And this is what I take to class every day. This is my sewing. Whoops, for those of you who don't know, I'm majoring in fashion, so this is like my sewing bag with all my projects. My backpack, which I usually keep there too. And then random stuff. And then here's my chair. I always keep a coat on the back of it, just whichever one I'm using. Sorry, it's not super clean. So then I have these boxes, which are stuff that I go into a lot that wouldn't like fit anywhere else. So I have like my gym clothes in here, shorts and hats and like summer stuff in there, like hats and scarves, and then random stuff in my Etsy shops actually in one of these, and then one of them's filled with camera stuff and one of them's filled with swimsuits. So yeah, and then under my bed, I'm not going to show you that much under, but I will show you, I do have this dresser, and in here I keep all my jeans and then non-jean pants and then underwear in there. Here's an overview of my desk. So I have a ton of plants there, and then a picture of my sister, a painting my roommate gave me, and then just the essentials right here. Got my keys and my cash, journal, scriptures, and then journal. Just keep that always there. Lamp. And then, sorry it's kind of dark, but here's an overview of my bed area. This blanket's from Five Below. It was only $5. It's awesome. My bedding's from Target. I made this pillow, my teddy bear, and then just random stuff, and then those pictures, and then my Disney pins, and then a little mirror that I thrifted. So yeah, that is the overview of my side of the room. Okay, in here it's not super clean, but here's the overview of our bathroom. There's 6 of us, so you go back here, and then here's our laundry room. Kind of has a lot of stuff because there's 6 of us. And yeah, there's a lot of storage. I use this for a bunch of random stuff. Here's our bathroom. We just got towels and stuff. And yeah, this is my sink area. And then I have these drawers. Okay, so when you walk into the apartment, this is kind of what it looks like. They have the thermostat, and then we have Christmas decorations, so don't mind that. A chalkboard, this cool painting, and we got some Halloween stuff. Here is an overview of our kitchen. We got decorations and stuff. This is what I use for food. Luckily there's 2 fridges, so that's awesome. And then I use all of those for other stuff, and then like a part in there. Here's the overview of the living room. I'm covering that so you don't know where I live. Okay, so this I hung up. It says Happy Holidays. And then I also hung up that plant and that little Mary sign. And then we get 2 couches, which is nice because my first semester when I lived here there was only 1, and that was definitely not enough. Then we have this thing. It's not the cleanest right now, guys, but this is what it looks like. We got the Christmas tree as well. So yeah, that is my apartment. I hope you liked it. I will probably film another one next semester. I'll move things around and stuff. It's currently blizzarding outside like crazy. I have a final to do. I have to make a quilt by tomorrow morning. So I'm pretty busy right now. Everyone's doing finals because we move out a week from yesterday is move out day. So yeah, that's why I decided to film this. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see a complex tour, give this video a thumbs up as well. And have a magical day.